it's really taking a toll on overwhelmed healthcare workers, as you can imagine. As hospital ICUs fill to capacity with coronavirus patients, it's now really affecting the people who are caring for those patients.
KCAL9's Jeff Nguyen takes a look at how nurses are holding up as they treat patients in the skyrocketing surge.
Our ICU is filling up.
Stephanie Ortega is an ICU nurse who's echoing the concerns we've been hearing from healthcare professionals as the Southern California region is now in the single digit when it comes to the ICU availability percentage.
We're putting them in rooms that don't have windows. We can't even see the sickest patients in the hospital.
Chitra Rao has worked in the ICU at another hospital for nearly 40 years.
2.5, 3 weeks ago, we had 0 patients in ICU. 0 COVID patients in ICU. 2.5, 3 weeks later, we are up to 22 or 23 patients.
Both nurses say they suffered loss to COVID in their own families. While at work, they try to comfort patients in their final moments of life who are alone in the ICU.
It breaks me because I can't give my grandkids a hug.
The nurses say it's been frustrating to see people gathering in groups and traveling for Thanksgiving because the deadly effects will be felt in a matter of days.
What is the answer to this? Simple. Let's wear a mask. Let's follow the simple guidelines. Let's celebrate Christmas by ourselves.
Healthcare professionals say hospital capacity only tell you a part of the problem. They say beds and ventilators can be added, but there are only so many hands that can care for a surging number of patients.
These patients require complex decision-making.
Stephanie Ortega says even members of her own family doubt the severity of COVID. She believes their perspective would change if they saw the heartache she's been witnessing.
I don't think anyone that would follow a patient from admission to a traumatic death in an ICU from COVID, I think a lot of these conversations wouldn't be happening.
Currently, the ICU availability in the Southern California region is about 6%. In Hollywood, Jeff Nguyen, KCAL9 News.